Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. JMMB Group saw a 46% drop in profit at the end of its 2022-2023 financial year. However, the company says despite the high interest rate challenges, the main business segments showed resilience. JMMB Group made $6.3 billion for the 12-month period ending March versus the record $11.6 billion for the 2021-2022 financial year. At an investor briefing Tuesday morning, Group Chief Financial Officer at JMMB, Patrick Ellis, says despite the dip in net earnings, core business areas performed well.
The rise in interest rate environment where we would have had compressed spreads, you have seen our NII at $11.2 billion, basically flat year over year. And what that signifies is that we would have grown our loan portfolio in the core business area by 25% or $36 billion. However, with the increased cost of funds and reducing spreads, you would have seen that impact in our NII basically flat 11.2 compared to 11.8 in the prior year.
After the returns from the group's 23% stake in Sagicor Financial Company, 21% of net earnings came from the Jamaican operations, followed by the Dominican Republic and Trinidad and Tobago.
Down 12%, and the main line items where we would have been impacted here would have been our gains on securities trading at $3.5 billion in the current year, down 52%. And of 7.5 in the prior year. And when you look at that is in an increased interest rate environment, your mark-to-market or fair value losses on your investment, the opportunity for trading would not be there. And hence, our business line in terms of our invested business line would have been impacted.
JMMB says revenue diversification softened the blow.
Our remittance business line, we would have been up by 26% to $3.3 billion. Our off-balance sheet and managed funds to $2.1 billion, up 2%. And our capital markets business line, one of the newer business lines within the group, continue to provide excellent service and funding our needs of our clients.
After 2 days of interventions with the Bank of Jamaica pumping $50 million in the foreign currency market, trading closed today with the US dollar selling for an average $155.43. $117.23 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $200.41, while it's costing $173.72 for the euro. The JSE index gained 82 points today, while the junior market index lost 69 points. Among the 38 winners were Paramount Trading Jamaica, Productive Business Solutions 9.25% cumulative perpetual US dollar shares, First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares, Salada Foods Jamaica, and MPC Caribbean Clean Energy. The 55 decliners include General Accident Insurance Company JA, Proven Group US dollar shares, Edufocal, iCreate, and Elite Diagnostic, 15 stocks traded firm. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.